So, a desk mat, a desk, and a couple of those clamp clips that you can get from Bunnings. What do they have in common? Good morning. This is Jen at Jen's Arty Inclinations, a place to create, share and play. This morning, I'm showing you another way that I do speedy book presses just under my desk mat. So here, when I've just got something little, I use these big clamps. Oh, you can see my messy desk there. But I use these big clamps that you can just easily get from the hardware store. And I use them to clamp the desk to my pad. And then that's where I can block things. So here, see, lovely and flat now. I thought you'd all enjoy seeing that one. It's great for just a quick little project or something that you're just popping in a journal that you will block properly later. Welcome if you've just subscribed, and if you're new, you can like and subscribe below, and please do leave a comment. I always love reading through the comments and I try and reply to everyone. So thank you everyone.